Hey there YouTube, I'm the Adventure Guy back here with you with another update video. So right about right there, right here, where my fingers, if you can see, right in between there, is the squirrel's nest. There was a squirrel in the trees. Oh crap, my window on my tent, the shelter is open. Actually, I want to go. You guys want to see a bit of a don't mind the people. I'm just going outside. Anyways, I'm just outside. But yeah, while I'm at it, might as well do an update video here. Can you close my screen door, my window? Sherry, can you close my window? So yeah, my tent is back out here. Ow. Nice, beautiful day. Yeah. Nice, beautiful day. Sorry, I was talking to my friends. So this is a piece. Oh, sorry. This is a piece of wood. As you see, there's tons of wood. So in here now, update. I'm getting winterized. See? Look how dark the clouds are. That's my little campfire. So now, sorry about that. See, all my summer stuff is in here. Oh, I do got a long ass stick. I could have plopped in there. In a pipe. In a PVC pipe. Oh shit. Anyways, the crab apples are falling everywhere, as you see. Oh, there's a dog. There's a dog over there. So, I better get inside my... my feet are getting cold. I don't know.
Make a YouTube channel or something.
Huh?
I was trying to get on your YouTube channel. Hi. My wonderful staff. I don't know why we just stopped in the kitchen to have a conversation.
I don't know, you tell me.
I don't know. I don't know, Richie. You know, just a weird place.
But yeah, like that's being said, I'm Richard Harris. Sorry, the Adventure Guy, back out with you with another video. Hope you guys could hear me through this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. My room and my snack.